Hi guys, this is Amy Dabelt, your Norwex independent consultant, and we're going to clean a window, not just regular cleaning. We're gonna do some deep cleaning with our Norwex. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use my damp Envirocloth and clean the surface of the window and the window trim. Just get that nice and wet. You wanna use it with the flat side. I'm gonna get all of the surfaces that are shiny. Now everything's wet, so now I'm going to take my window cloth, which is our polishing cloth, and you want to use that right over the little water droplets. And the window cloth is going to dry it and bring it to a streak-free shine. So now that we've got the inside, we're going to, and it looks great by the way, we're going to do the outside of the windows. And this is oftentimes where we get more pollen and pollution and all of that. So we'll open that up and give those a good clean on the outside. And we're using our window cloth to polish. And then we can do the same thing with this higher window. Now I know I've had windows in the past where I had to well, there we go. Okay, where I've had to just go outside. So either way, you want to get the outside and the inside. And I see some debris on this white edge because this is the side that's outdoors, top of my screen. And I do notice some cobwebs and little areas of dirt. So I'm going to use my Enviro wand, which is also a dusting wand. And I'm just going to use that all around the edges where you get those block marks and spider webs. Polish this up with the window cloth. And then we're going to get the window screen. So our window screens hold on to a lot of pollen, pollution, just debris from outside. So what you want to do is take your Norwex dust mitt, which is normally used dry. Use your dust mitt damp and just rub it along the screen. And that's going to pull everything out of those little tiny spaces. You can see already, look how dirty that was. So it really cleans great. And now flip this back up and we are, so this video so far is around 3 minutes, but if I wouldn't have been talking and showing you, I could have got this window done in 2 minutes. So that's awesome. Now in the base of the window, like my window sill here, you can see there's a lot of dirt and debris. So now I want to get that out because I don't want to look at that and I wouldn't want any of my guests to see it. So I have two options. I can either take the damp Envirocloth or the damp dust mitt or the damp Envirocloth to clean it. Since I can wear this on my hand, I'm just going to go ahead and get the windowsill area with the dust mitt. And it's going to pick all of that right up. Now I could, again, use my Envirocloth, but this works just as good. Look at that. And there's a few little areas on the sides of the window, little cracks and crevices that my finger won't fit in. So I have this is our multi-purpose cleaning tool. And I'm just going to take this down in the little edges here and get anything that is in those hard to reach areas. And then I'll just wipe it away with my dust mitt. And we are clean as a whistle. Very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you again soon.